Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I think all of you fit and fine, and you all are staying at home. In today's GK session, I will discuss with you about the three things. Number one, word ladder. Number two, logos and symbols. And number three, golden voices of a bygone era. So, directly I am coming to the point, word ladder. What is actually word ladder? Word ladder is a word game. Use the clues to change the top word in the ladder into a new word by changing one alphabet each time. What is happening over here? A sentence is giving over there, and there is an answer of each sentence. And in the next consecutive sentences, we will give the answer by using one word only, and in this answer, just consecutively we are going to change one particular word, any one word, not the whole word. Sorry beta, I am very sorry, I am repeating once again, very sorry. In the consecutive sentences, we will get one answer, one word answer, and what to do? Whatever be the answer consecutively we are going to throw, just one letter from there is going to be keep on changing. Understood beta? So, suppose the first sentence is a healthy drink. What is a healthy drink? Healthy drink is milk. The second sentence is where flour is made. Flour is made in the mill, M-I-L-L. So find here, what is the difference between milk and mill? Just only one single letter is changing. M-I-L-K milk and M-I-L-L milk. Mill. So milk and mill, only one letter within these two sentences, only one letter is changing. That is, instead of K, I am putting L. This way, in the whole word ladder game, answer of each statement is having one word, and consecutively in these words we are keep on changing only one letter. Only one letter. That is only given over here. Use the clues to change the top word in the ladder into a new word by changing only one alphabet each time. So each answer we will just keep on changing one alphabet, and word will be changed that way. So this is the word ladder. Again I am saying you, a healthy drink, that is milk, where flour is made in the mill. The determination to do something is will. What is the difference between mill and will? Instead of M, here we are changing to W, will. A boundary, that means wall. What is the difference between will and wall? W-I-L-L and W-A-L-L. So instead of I, we are putting A. Same way, we go on foot, that means walk. And to communicate by speaking, that is talk. And what is the difference between walk and talk? Instead of W, we are putting here T. No short, that means tall, T-A-L-L, and to go down quickly, that is fall. So what is the difference between tall and fall? T-A-L-L tall and F-A-L-L fall. Next children, no succeed, that means fail, F-A-I-L, fail. And a silvery sheet to cover and keep food fresh, that is foil. So what is the difference between fail and foil? F-A-I-L, fail, and foil, F-O-I-L, foil. Instead of A, here we are putting O. To work hard, toil, T-O-I-L, toil. And the money paid when crossing a bridge or highway, that is toll, T-O-L-L. So what is the difference? T-O-I-L instead of I, here T-O-L-L, L-L. So instead of I, here we are putting L. Now next is to let someone know. To let someone know. The answer is tell, T-E-L-L. That which chimes usually found in the church or temple. What is this? This is bell. So what is the difference between tell and bell? Instead of T, here we are using B. T-E-L-L, tell, and B-E-L-L is bell. A piece of leather or fabric that you wear around your waist. A piece of leather or fabric that you wear around your waist. What is this? This is belt. And what is the difference between bell and belt? B-E-L-L, bell, and B-E-L-T, belt. So instead of L, we are putting here T. So the whole word ladder is coming down one by one by changing, keep on changing only one letter within the word. It is the word letter game. Okay children, understood? Now I am coming to the next point, that is the logos and the symbols. Match the products with their current and earlier logos. Also write the name of the products. First is the logo and the symbol. Second is the product. And third column is carrying current logo or symbol. Okay children. First column is carrying first logo or symbol. Second column is carrying product. And third column is carrying current logo or symbol. Supposed to be the first logo is Business International Machine. The product is what? The product is a computer software and hardware company. A computer hardware and computer software and hardware company. And the current logo is IBM. The current logo is IBM, International Business Machine. Second logo, something is written in Chinese language. What is this? First logo is given something in given Chinese language, and the product is a video game company. And current logo, Nintendo. Now the current logo or symbol is Nintendo. third logo is shown here, a red swan. What is the product? The product is a web browser. A web browser, and the current logo is shown here, a blue color world logo along with a fox. That is the Firefox. That is the Firefox. Number 4 or number D, it is showing a king's image. First logo was a king's image. Now the product is an Indian Airlines company. So now the Indian Airlines company's logo has been changed. It is shown like a sun rays on a red aeroplane. It is given in the third column, second number. Indian. Now how it is showing, how it is look like the Indian Airlines logo. Okay children. Number 5. E. Apple Computer Company. What is this? What is the product? A consumer electronics company. What is the product children? A consumer's electronics company. Apple Computer Company, a consumer electronics company, and its current logo of consumers electronics company's current logo has been changed. It is given number 1 box of the third column like a black apple. Okay children, got the point? So once again I am repeating. International Business Machine, a computer software and hardware company. Nintendo is a video game company. Firefox is a web browser. An airlines company is Air India, and an Apple Computer Company is a consumer electronics company. Okay beta. Now I am coming to today's third point. What is this? The golden voices of the bygone era. Identify and name these legendary singers. You may choose your answers from the box. In the box, name of this legendary singer is given. Number 1, here it is given Bhupen Hajarika, then M.S. Subbulakshmi, Pandit Jashraj, Vimsen Joshi, Jagjit Singh, Vasantrao Deshpande, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, and Manna De M. Balakrishna Murthy. Bala Murali Krishnan. Bala Murali Krishna. There are two principal types of Indian classical music, Karnataki and Hindustani. Hindustani music is practiced mainly in northern India, whereas Karnataki music is more popular in southern India. Hindustani classical music reflects Persian and Islamic musical influences from medieval times. In Karnataki music, most compositions which are rhythm intensive and structured, are meant to be sung, and even if purely instrumental, are meant to be performed in the gayaki or singing style. In Hindustani music, melodic improvisation plays a big role, and vocal and instrumental music can have distinct styles. Now, children, I will just say the images. According to the images, who is that person or who is having that golden voices of the bygone era. Number 1 image is the image of the personality. Her name is M.S. Shubh Lakshmi. Number 2 image is the legendary personal Bhimsen Joshi. Number 3, the image is of Pandit Jashraj ji. Number 4 image is of M. Bala Murali Krishna, famous Karnataki musician. M. Bala Murali Krishna. Number 5 is the legendary person Vasant Rao Deshpande. And number 6 figure is of again another legendary singer. Name of that singer is Manna Dey. Number 7, he is a famous ghazal singer. Name of that personnel is Jagjit Singh. Number 8, the singer is from Assam. The Assamese singer's name is Bhupen Hazarika. And number 9, the legendary singer is no more, and he is from Pakistan. The name of the singer is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Children, this much is for the time being. If you are facing any problem regarding the understanding of this